Hi, welcome to SellerSonar. So for today's video, we're going to talk about our new feature, which is the SellerSonar Chrome extension tool. So for you to able to get the tool, you first need to log into your SellerSonar account. And once you're logged in, you should be able to see an icon down here, a puzzle icon. Let me just show you. All right, here. So it should look like this one, the install extension tool. So once you click on it, you will be routed to the Chrome Web Store where you'll be able to install the extension from there. And once you're able to install, this is how it's going to look like. So once you've successfully installed the extension, you should see that it should already say remove from Chrome, and the install icon here should already be removed. So for you to be able to check if your extension already works, you can just open any product tab. Let's try this one, for example. Once you click on it, you'll be routed to the Amazon page. So if you've already successfully installed the extension, the Chrome extension, Seller's Owner would pop up here. It's going to give you like an overview of your product listing. So you'll be able to see the current status, the events, and the buy box overview status. So once you click on this status here, you'll be able to see like an overview of the BSR performance for the past 2 weeks. So for example, you want to check main category BSR performance. So you'll be able to see it here. You can also check on the subcategory of your BSR performance. You can also see here the buy box pricing for the past couple of days. And you will also be able to see an overview of the events that have happened for the past couple of days for this specific ASIN. And if you want to check further information on this one, you just need to click here on the Showing Seller's Owner, and you will be routed to your Seller's Owner page where you can check all more details about this information. All right. And we also got here the events overview page. So it's going to give you like all the events that have happened for the past day for this listing. And if you want to check further details on this, I just need to click here at Seller's Owner, and you will be connected to your Seller's Owner page for events. And we also got here an overview for the buy box performance. So you'll be able to see the buy box performance for the past 10 days on this one. So as you can see, it's currently being dominated by Amazon uh, at 58% buy box win rate, and all the other sellers over here. All right. So this extension tool basically just works on ASINs or products that you have already added in your seller's owner account. But what if you're able to see products that you haven't added? So this is how it's going to look like. Say, for example, you open this product, and this is a new product you haven't added yet here in your seller's owner account. So basically, the extension tool will look like this one. So it's going to give you an option to add it as a competitor or as a product for tracking. All right. So once you already added it, you'll be able to see details of an overview for those ASIN that will look like this one over here, like previously. So it's taking a bit of time to load. So it should look like this one. Right. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this Seller Sonar extension tool. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.